How to contact AI Flashcard support. First of all, open the Knowt app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down. Scroll down until you find Need Help option and tap on it. Here you will see options like Messages, Ask a Question, and a Source for Help bar, where you can look through common guides such as Welcome to Knowt, Getting Started, or How to Check Account Type. If you still need personal help, tap on Messages or Ask a Question. Now you can type your issue directly and the support team will assist you. For better support, include details about your problem and if possible, attach a screenshot. Once submitted, the support team will respond to you via the app. This way, you can quickly contact AI Flashcard support and get the help you need whenever you face issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.